I have to take a stopover dito. So may boundary ng Abra and Kalinga. Ang sakit ubat ng agmotor. Bandal. Save the earth. And view deck. Yeah, you can see here. Hindi lang natin makita kasi madaming mga shrubs dito. But maganda doon. It's a national park. Going home to Isabela. And sa kabila, it's Malibkong. See here. Dadaan ako ng Tabuk. 98 kilometers. Malayo pa. Then Tabuk to Isabela, almost 2 hours. Tingnan natin ang Malibkong. We cannot see Malibkong doon. Somewhere there. Hindi natin makita. Anyway. Let's go. Mainit. Nakakasilaw. Yun ang Balbalan. There's a beauty. Ganun. National Park. Maganda. Napaka kapal ng kagubatan. It's very, very nice. Close.